Hello, and this is how to do a calendar invite for your instructional coach for your pre-observation, your observation, and your post-observation. You can go to Google or into your Gmail and click on the waffle. In the waffle, find your calendar, click on your calendar. When you get to your calendar, type in your instructional coach's name. And then you can click on your instructional coach and you are going to get a view of their screen. This is my week, or if you're a person that prefers looking at the month, you can look at the month. I prefer the week view, so I will go to the week view. Any area that is gray, that is an area where I am busy, and it says busy. If you look at Friday the 8th, I have time available there, so what you can do is you can click on Create. I like this More option. Click here, and you can type in your name. I'm going to pretend I am Buck, and I'm going to type in Buck, observation, and CHE. I'm going to say that I would like the observation on February the 8th. I'm going to say I would like the observation to be from 2 o'clock until 2:30. I'm going to say that the observation will take place in Buck's room at CHE. Now I am pretending I am Buck, so Buck is going to want to invite me. So where it says add guests, Buck will type in my name. And now up here, when you save this, you can see it's Buck observation. It's February 8th from 2 to 2:30. Buck's room at CHE. When he hits save, it's going to say, would you like to send this invitation to the person you invited? You hit send, and I am going to either be able to say yes, no, or maybe to this invite. That is how you will do a Google Calendar invite. It's 15 minutes for the observation, about a half an hour to 45 minutes 15 minutes for the pre-observation, half an hour to 45 minutes for the observation, and about a half an hour for the post-observation. Or we can do this old school and you can talk to me. Okay, thank you.